What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another video on the Murphy Photography and YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something very simple. It's going to be a quick tutorial on how to edit a TikTok in Adobe Premiere Pro. First thing you want to do, you want to create a project and then you want to import your clip. I have a clip right here that's on my GoPro from a shoot that I just did for an engagement shoot. And what I want to do is I want to actually create this where it's about a 10-second TikTok of where you see the POV and then it's going to have the photo afterwards. So it's very simple TikTok. As you can see, the ratio right now is your 1080 by 1920. All you got to do is make sure that this is selected, and then you go up to sequence settings, and what we're going to do, we're going to flip this, okay? And we are going to go 1080 by 1920, and we're going to hit OK. And now you're going to have a vertical field of view right here. It's going to show you what it's going to look like. So now that you have your sequence that's located like right here, you can now start editing and cutting where it needs to be. So I want to do a very simple let's see, I think it's going to be right here. Looks good. So I just want to drag this. What this does is cut it, and then we're going to drag it there. And like I said, I wanted to have like 10 seconds. So it looks like 10 seconds is about, let's see, we start at 3, 4, around, that's 30 seconds. So let's just bring this down. Let's start chopping that through there. Now let's make our timeline a little bit bigger. Okay, so now I got 40 seconds worth here. And now we can take a look at this and see what we want to incorporate in it. So for instance, we want that to be a little bit, we want it to start right here. So we want the TikTok to start, and we want it to kind of loop. So right here is good. You see it click, 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 and click, and I think that's good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it like right here, 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna include this picture. So this picture is already in here. You just import it, find it to wherever it is on your dial, and I think I'm going to use these three right here, and we're going to hit open. So now they're going to be over here in your project. We're going to take your photos and you're going to drag it right there, and it's automatically going to fill to whatever the sequence you have. So we're going to take this and we're going to scale it down. So let's, until it fills about something like that is perfect. And each one of these, I think you can actually like set it to a certain amount of time, but you know, I think I want it to come down a little bit more like that. And then to keep consistent, it looks like the scale is going to be 25. So what we can do on this one now is have that one clicked, scooch it back right here, and then you're going to go up here to scale, and then you're going to type 25 and hit enter, and it's going to automatically fit in there. So we're just going to bring that down as well, duration, and then we're going to do the same thing on this one, and 25, and we are good to go. So now this whole TikTok is we're going to put music over top of it from the TikTok sound. That way we don't have to worry about it in the future. And we're going to do the same thing for YouTube Shorts as well. So we just hit play, we watch it. You'll have music during this, and this could actually be cut a little bit more, and I think I'm going to do that too. I think I'm going to put it like right there, and then I just selected all of it right there. So now we have 13 seconds, which is a really good time for a quick TikTok. So we have this, it plays, you can see the POV action, and then we are hoping where the beat drops, boom, boom, and boom. So yeah, there you have it. That's just a quick tutorial on how you can do vertical content in Adobe Premiere. Is just a very simple tool within the sequence. Now, if you're wanting to do more transitions and you want to do subtitles and things like that, that's going to come along in a different video, but stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial, and we'll see you on the next one.